This was my first visit to see my parents' new digs. They are in a nicely laid out gated community, and on Friday nights they have live music and dancing. My aunt and uncle were also in town. The next day we drove to the beach and happened upon Jeepfest.
Das habe ich noch nie gesehen.
Here we are at the Back Bay National Wildlife Refuge, one of our favorite walks.
Siehst du, das sind lauter Hundekäfig. But that's a longer loop. Was denkst du, wenn du gerade rüber schwimmst?
I'm taking a video.
Wir werden gefilmt.
Ja, ja.
Haben wir schon mal gemacht. Vor kurzem mal.
Da drüben sind zwei Eagles. Siehst du die?
Ja.
Drei.
Drei, ja.
Ja. Und hier sind oft Canadies, wenn sie auf Durchreise sind.
I've got a video of you making a video of the train.
And I got video of Grant taking a video, and Mom taking a video, and Marcus taking a video.
Woo!
It's fun to like slow down. See, Mom, the music. Remember I told you last year?